How I covered the Earth in wrapping paper. I used a technique called the miniature effect, which is the use of scale models to make things look bigger than they actually are. As my Earth, I used a soccer ball. I wrapped it to the best of my ability and set up a light to act like the sun. I got the angle I was looking for and hopped into After Effects. I dropped my clip into the timeline, added a freeze frame, selected the pen tool, and put a detailed mask around the ball to isolate it from the background. Now we needed to make it look like space. I downloaded images of stars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the moon and added them to the project. On each layer, I pressed the stopwatch and keyframed the position so it moves very subtly across the screen. I then added a Lumetri color effect and played with the settings until everything matched close enough. The Earth looked a bit flat, so I selected the layer and pressed Command or Control D to duplicate it. Go into the Lumetri color settings and lower the exposure, whites, and saturation, and increase the shadows and contrast. Now you can grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle around the area you want to remain light. Be sure to change the mask mode to subtract and add a decent amount of feather to make the shadow less harsh. And that's